Welcome to Pinfluence, your ultimate destination for an inspiring exploration of stylish home decor in 2023. Embark on a journey with us as we navigate the dynamic landscape of design trends, innovative concepts, and aesthetic inspirations that redefine the art of interior beautification. Join us for this immersive video where we dive into the world of chic and sophisticated decor that seamlessly blends aesthetics, functionality, and creativity. At Crafty Creations, we are dedicated to bringing you the latest and most captivating trends in stylish home decor without compromising your unique vision and budget. Our mission is to empower you to transform your living spaces into personal sanctuaries of elegance and charm, all while embracing the principles of aesthetics and ingenuity. Immerse yourself in a realm of where design meets functionality and aesthetics coexist harmoniously with everyday living. Discover the art of selecting statement pieces that reflects your personality while elevating the visual allure of the interiors. From vibrant color palettes to timeless monochromes, we'll guide you through a spectrum of options that align with your stylish preferences and budget-conscious aspirations. Uncover the magic of incorporating textures and materials that add depth and character to your living spaces. We'll explore the world of tactile sensations from sumptuous fabrics to raw new natural elements, showcasing how the interplay of different textures enriches your decor and enhances the overall aesthetic experience. Explore the allure of mixing vintage and contemporary elements to create a unique fusion that both timeless and modern. Dive into the world of eclecticism where we'll show you how to curate a harmonious blend and design eras, stylish and aesthetics resulting in interiors that exude character and charm without breaking the bank. Delight the concept of creating inviting and functional areas that cater to various aspects of your life, whether it's a cozy reading book, a versatile home office, and a serene meditation corner. We'll guide you in crafting spaces that fulfill your needs while adhering to your budget conscious approach. Venture into the realm of budget friendly DIY projects that infuse your spaces with a personal touch, from crafting custom wall art to repurposing the old furniture with fresh coat of paint. You'll discover small efforts can yield significant aesthetic rewards, adding personality and originality to decor. As we delve deeper into the enchanting world of stylish home decor in 2023, let's unveil even more layers of creativity, inspiration, and design magic that resonate with your aesthetic aspirations. To explore innovative concepts and curated ideas that elevate your living spaces to new heights of sophistication and charm. At Penfluence, our passion lies in presenting you with the latest trends in stylish home decor while keeping your budgetary considerations in mind. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge and creativity to transform your living spaces into showcase of elegance and visual allure, all while embracing the principles of aesthetic sensibility and ingenuity. You immerse yourself in a world where form and functional intervene seamlessly, giving birth to spaces that cater to your practical needs while exuding timeless beauty. Dive into the realm of spatial planning and layout optimization, where we'll guide you in creating a harmonious balance between furniture arrangement, circulation, and aesthetic appeal. Uncover the art of incorporating personalized elements that tell your unique style. Discover how to curate decor pieces, artwork, and furnishings that resonate with your journey, passions, and memories, infusing your living spaces with a sense of identity and emotional connection that transcends trends. Explore the allure of embracing natural light and maximizing your space's potential with thoughtful design choices, from strategically placed mirrors that reflect light to selecting window treatments to enhance ambience. You'll learn how to harness natural elements to create a brighter, more inviting atmosphere. Delight in the concept of creating curated vigilantness and focal points that draw the eye and spark conversations. Will guide you through the process of combining decor items, textures, and colors to create compelling visual stories that showcases your design powers and elevate the overall aesthetic. So, if you're excited to continue this captivating journey of exploring stylish home decor in 2023, grab your notebook and join us for the next segment of this video. Subscribe to Pinfluence now and let us be your trusted guide in embracing the essence of style, aesthetics, and vision.